After learning about basics of eco-friendly architecture, environment economics and use of sustainable materials and practices, let us now move to our fourth mini course on sustainable tourism. This mini course dives into the fundamentals of sustainable development within the tourism sector, exploring a diverse range of case studies. Ideal for planning, architecture and research students, professionals and enthusiasts. Architect Nikita Verma, based in Almora, UK, India, is a graduate in architecture from SPA Delhi and holds a master's in urbanism from Bauhaus University, Germany. She has worked internationally in India, Slovenia, Germany, and Spain with various organizations as an architect and urbanist. Practicing in the eco-sensitive Himalayan region for the past 8 years, she now calls Almora home, where she co-runs Studio Bardo and leads the events and competitions vertical at Ethos Empowers. As an expert in sustainable tourism with extensive research and practical experience, she is an excellent mentor for this mini course. By the end of this mini course, you will understand the impact of tourism on environment and learn to develop sustainable tourism practices. This course stands out with its comprehensive case studies, planning and policy perspectives, providing a deep understanding of sustainable tourism.